How to fix a yellow screen in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and click on display and brightness, and first of all turn off true tone button. After turning off true tone button, the problem will be fixed, and if it doesn't fix, then click on night shift and turn off both buttons. After turning on both buttons, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then go back and open settings again and click on accessibility, and here you can see the option display and text size. Click on it and scroll down, and here you can see the option color filters. Click on it. If you turn this color filter on, if you enable this button, then turn this button off. After turning this button off, your problem will be fixed. So this way to fix yellow screen in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.